Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I'm so excited because we are decorating our bedroom for fall. Right now, the bedroom looks very blue, very bright, which was perfect for summer. It was perfect for spring, but I really want to make this moody. I want to make it dark. I want to make it more vampy for the fall and winter season. So we're going to get rid of the blue and replace it with more browns, more burgundy colors, and just add some more warmth overall in the space. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you want to hang out with me today, you want to decorate with me, then please just keep on watching. So I wanted to show you all some close-ups before we start removing things, redecorating. As you can see, there is a ton of blue in here, which I love, but it doesn't necessarily scream fall. So the first thing we're gonna do is go around the room and remove anything that is blue, kind of teal, just to make room for all of the burgundy and brown that we're going to add. And even with all the blue removed from this bedroom, it still felt very cool tone. And that's because the bedding and the throw pillows and throw blankets were a gray color, which is naturally very cool tone. So of course we had to remove that and put down sheets that just fit the fall vibe a little bit better. I will say, as I was putting the bedding on and throw pillows, this was definitely a trust the process moment. You all know me, I am a neutral girl through and through, but I've been getting into my moody, cozy era, but I've been taking baby steps, okay? If you saw the last video, I added a brown, almost maroon rug in our living room, which really inspired me to add that same color throughout my entire house. This was a little bit scary for me because I don't know, maybe I spook easy when it comes to color, clearly, but this quilt that I'm adding on is another find from TJ Maxx, and it's actually reversible. So at first I put it down on this side, but I preferred that stripe pattern better. So I'm actually flipping it over. It looks a lot. It looks kind of busy, but because I'm folding back the quilt, I thought showing the striped would be better. And also the matching shams, you can see in my face here, definitely throwing me off. But you guys, I wanted to push through. This is when things got really confusing, okay? I added this dark maroon, but it looks red on camera, duvet cover. I thought it was way too much with the shams, so I'm just switching the pillows out. And I'm telling you, I spent hours rearranging throw pillows, rearranging shams, adding accent blankets just to try to make this feel more me. I love the color. I love the maroon color for fall, but I just needed it to fit my vibe and just be something that is realistic for me. You guys, when I tell you this took forever to kind of put together and figure out, this took me so long. I have to live with this for a little bit and see. I need to continue decorating. I'm gonna push through. I'm gonna trust the process. Right now, I'm not trusting the process. It needs more. I'm clearly not done, but right now I'm feeling like, girl, what is this? But let's keep going. Let's just see what the end result is. I might have to postpone this video, continue online shopping, because I don't know. It's a change, it's different. Let's just keep going. We're gonna keep going. So use this as an example. Use me as the guinea pig here. If you're at first kind of confused, like, I don't know if I like it, keep going. Add more of that color throughout your home, throughout your room to make it make sense. Because right now, where the bed was decorated, it just didn't make sense with the rest of the room. Nowhere else was there that maroon color. Nowhere else had any hints of fall. So it just felt like one designated spot where there was fall and the rest there was not. So I'm adding fall stems, I'm adding pumpkins, I'm adding that color in other areas to really tie in the bed and make that statement color feel cohesive. I tell you this was the most trust the process room transformation. There were a couple of times where I wasn't too sure, but I'm so glad I pushed through. I cannot wait to show you guys. So if you're ready to see our ballified bedroom, our bedroom makeover for fall, let's get a countdown going in 3, 2, 1. You guys, I cannot get over this makeover. I think it looks so good. It looks so cozy and ready for fall. I was a little scared. I was thinking, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to refilm this whole entire thing. I don't like it, but I think it turned out so nice. Here's basically an overview of what this side of the bedroom is looking like. I have one of my Lola blankets over here, a Walmart blanket, tons of pillows, and it just looks so incredibly cozy. I am so happy with it. I added 2 lumbar pillows on the chairs in front. We've got fall stems. We've got a wooden pumpkin over here. This is my nightstand. And then I also added these 2 coffee table books to really bring in that warmth from the bedding. You guys, I cannot get over it. It's a lot of different tones of brown and fall colors. I love it. I think it just looks so cozy. I will try to link what I can. And over here on Rob's nightstand, we have another wooden pumpkin, a vase over here with some fall stems, and then I also added this sort of like golden olivey color coffee table book. I think it looks so nice over here. So on this side of the room, we are ready for fall. I think it's just incredibly cozy. And also in this basket down here, I added a brown throw blanket just to make everything very cohesive. Now, if we come over here to the entryway table, when you first walk into our bedroom, I added a tray on the side. This is a HomeGoods find. Some stems. This is Target, but a couple years ago. This vase I absolutely love, and the vase fillers inside. This just looks really high end to me, but it's a HomeGoods find. And then we have our candlesticks that never want to stay straight. We're just gonna ignore that. They're always there. And if you come around to this side, I love this. Like, you guys know how I feel about my lighting. I've got a spotlight in the corner. We've got fall faux stems and 2 pumpkin candle holders here. They're marble. I just love these. I think these are such a good HomeGoods find. And then I just put in some dark charcoal candlesticks, and those are from Anthropologie. So over here, we've got a wicker pumpkin, another coffee table book. This one is kind of in like a pinky red color to coordinate with our hydrangeas over here. Then I have this candle. It's an old-fashioned candle. I got this at HomeGoods. It smells incredible, and I just love how this looks on our frame TV. We switched out the art so that everything would coordinate, and I just love it. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. I love our fall bedroom. It's definitely fallified. I love the colors. I love the tones. It's just perfection. I cannot wait to crawl in here tonight. In the next video, I'm going to be decorating the glam room, which is right next door. I know we're kind of pushing it with with the fall decor videos, especially because I'm gonna be decorating for Christmas soon, but it's fine. We're having fun. We're gonna enjoy this process. If you enjoyed this process, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and my new fall bedroom, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.